Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. First and foremost, yes, I have done a How Does Perform, which is why I have two different eyeshadows on. You will see the video a bit later, but yeah, I hope it's not too distracting. So this actually arrived very quickly. It arrived on the 10th or 9th. I'm not really sure, but it arrived very quickly, like that's much quicker than the other one. And from what I can tell, it is a box, it's not a pouch. So let's hope there's a leaflet in, or pamphlet, or whatever you call it. Yes, it is a beauty box, like an actual beauty box. Oh no, we got coupons again. Wine 52. I don't drink wine. I actually really dislike wine, but if anyone wants the code. Ooh, can you see it? Okay, so this is the box. Of course, as expected, rainbow color because it is Pride Month, but pastel rainbow colors, and I really like that. I think that's really beautiful. How many gay pride or pride related items will we find? Let's figure it out. A leaflet, yes, thank God. So be so good they can't ignore you is what the inside says. Wow, everything is like nothing is laying on top of the like the filling material. It's very pink. Pink is not my favorite color. Oh, this is cool. This is, oh my god, you know what? This is the first thing I saw. This is like little kind of like band-aids, like little like spot treatments. If you have a pimple, you put these on and the pimple disappears. First thing I saw. Okay. Sadly. Okay. Oh, this is the first thing. Oh, nice. Okay, so these things here. Disciple. What spot? Dots. Hydrocolloid spot sticker. 12 are in here with salicylic acid. They are vegan and cruelty-free. It's not a sample, so you actually can buy them like this. Wash and completely dry the area. Remove the cover film and apply to the target area. Wear for 6 hours overnight and replace as needed. So if I ever get a huge pimple, I'm prepared. So, what spot? Dots are the perfect quick fix solution for stressed out skin, calming redness, protecting from infection and skin picking, and injecting a boost of natural salicylic acid to help detox blocked pores. Hydrocolloid draws impurities to the surface and speeds up the spot's life cycle whilst curbing post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It has, obviously, as I read, salicylic acid and hydrocolloid. Super excited about this. They will probably come in very handy. Another pink item. Oh, a micellar water. The Nux. Very Rose 3-in-1 soothing micellar water. Removes makeup, cleanses, and softens. Rose flower water and skin respect complex for all skin types, including sensitive skin and face, and eyes. Oh my god, this smells really good. I feel like there's perfume in. Should I really put that near my eyes? I will try it. If it hurts, I will let you know. It's beautiful. Oh my god, that reminds me, I have a bunch of empty products I have to talk about. Give my mom. I collect them all in here. Yay! So, yeah, I'm super excited for this. You can always use a micellar water. A calming formula designed to cleanse skin without drying it out. Ideal for lifting build-ups as well as stubborn pigments. The micellar water purifies your complexion, leaving it comfortable and nourished. It has rose flower water. Okay, so two things I'm excited about. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Oh my god, you actually have 6 products in here. It's not a, you know, like the last 2 boxes were like, here is what you could have gotten, and you didn't even get anything that was on the page, you know what I mean? This time you actually have 6 products that you can and will get. Love it. So this is the next one. The body scrub. Oh, watermelon. Bubble tea. Oh my god. Bubble tea body scrub watermelon. Gently polish your way to smooth skin with this exfoliating watermelon body scrub. Oh no, it's sealed. Oh god. And you can't smell anything through it. Oh god damn it. This is not food. Okay. Gently polish your way to glowy smooth skin with this exfoliating sweet scent watermelon body scrub from Bubble Tea. Suitable for vegans. Oh yes, nice. Features exfoliating and suitable for vegans. You know, I miss the time where they put down the prices, like how much this actually is if you buy it in, you know, in a store. I'm excited. You know, it comes in perfect for summer because, you know, smooth skin. Okay, this is the next product. Like I said, it's all very pink. Oh my god. Gatineau, limited edition, radiance enhancing enzymatic gommage. How do you say it in English? Gommage. Like you say it in French, you say gommage, but how do you say it in English? I don't know how you say it. Oh my god. Apply once or twice a week to dry skin. Massage for 1 to 2 minutes until texture turns to liquid. Rinse with water. A unique bond to all enzymatic exfoliator with AHAs, including, oh my god, bear with me, glycolic, lactic, malic acid, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. Oh my god. Reveal a renewed and naturally radiant complexion. The perfect exfoliator for sensitive skin and for those experiencing breakouts, clogged pores, dull skin, uneven skin tone, and pigmentation. Oh wow, they actually had to put the ingredients on here because it's not on the packaging. So far this whole box is about skin prep, you know, like exfoliating your skin and making your skin look beautiful. It's not that bad. Oh, now, I'll be excited to see if this works. This is the Ico Brow Gel, Style and Define, clear. Oh, it's, I caught it. It's clear, because, you know, I was like, if this is a color, it's probably not going to match. It's clear. Lock brows in place with the Ico Clear Brow. Lock brows in place with the Ico Clear Brow Gel. Waterproof and strong hold. The setting gel is designed to set brow hairs in place for up to 24 hours. It has magnolia bark extract, green tea leaf extract. And I will use that right now, which gives me an opportunity to use a Baby Yoda mirror. Listen, this is much smaller than I thought it would be. This is like half my face. Okay, don't mind the brows. I know the brows are growing. Yeah, so let's see. It smells like glue, like actual glue, and I feel like there's way too much on. Yeah. I don't like the smell of this. I mean, you can see it's not really keeping it in place, like they're falling down as we speak. Not really impressed so far. And like they're very dry, not very dry, they're very like wet. Okay, the last but not least, which probably should have been in this little bubble wrap thing. Lucky London, powerful metallic eyeshadow. Oh no. I just bought an eyeshadow palette and I got a new eyeshadow. Okay, it's fine. Guess what the back says? Not for resale. Like, why is nobody talking about this? Seriously, like, why? Why? Like you pay so much money for this box, and then you get things that are not meant to be for resale. You know what I mean? Maybe I'm just overthinking things, but seriously? So anyways, this is called Golden Hour, and it's cruelty-free and vegan. And I'm gonna open it up now. I'm just really mad at this. You know, like I want my money's worth. I don't want products that are not meant to be for resale. Like this is something you give in addition and like a gift with purchase, you know what I mean? Are you taking the fucking piss? It all just dropped out. Like all of it. All of it. Bro. Nowhere does it say it is a loose powder. Nowhere. My whole pants. Like, I'm gonna scream right now. I'm gonna scream. Oh my god, my whole printer. Like, they could at least say, hey, this is a loose powder. Oh my god. Do you see this? Do you see it? What am I gonna do now? This thing here fell out, which is apparently supposed to keep the eyeshadow inside. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, my pillows. my chair, everything. You know what? Fuck this shit. This is going into the trash right now. Because I don't like loose shadow. I don't like loose glitter shadow. And I don't like loose glitter shadow that gets on my pants. And this one is going as well. I'm actually really angry right now. Like, this really pissed me off. Nowhere did it say that this is a loose shadow. Okay, nowhere. And, you know, if that was bad enough, it is also not for sale. So I get a freebie that, you know, I pay for this and I get a freebie. I'm not even gonna read it. Fuck this shit. I'm done with this. So, Glow Getting Trends is the trend for June. Congratulations. Rose water, what it is and what it does. I'm super pissed right now. Like, they could at least told people, hey, this is a liquid shadow, not a liquid shadow, this is a loose powder. What your complexion says about you. The theme behind the box. Hashtag trending. The water of life skincare. And then what's coming up is Hyaluronic Hydra powder by Terry. I quickly want to get over with everything. I use up 2 body lotions. This is a rescue bottle, so basically this is for everything. This is by Dr. Botanicals. I liked it. It wasn't the greatest thing. Like, it made my skin feel like it's not fully moisturized. This, on the other hand, the Ritual of Myrrh is amazing. This does an amazing job. It smells good. Really moisturizes the skin. I can highly recommend. Just not so much. This thing here by We Are Paradox, the Repair 3-in-1 conditioner, hair mask, and finishing cream. I didn't like it. It smelled not that great. It didn't really do anything for my hair. It is a tin tube. Do you know how hard it is to get potted out while you're in the shower with wet hands? There's still some left, but I just, like, I cannot do that in the shower. I just can't. So, would not purchase it. This thing I unfortunately had to get rid of after using it only twice. So this is the Skin Chemist U Series Rose and Lavender Intensive Night Therapy Eye Serum. This made my under eyes burn like crazy. It's supposed to plump in your under eyes, but this actually hurt. It hurts. So yeah, I'd rather not use this. You know, I'm very fond of my sight. I want to see things. So this is going into the trash. And then last but not least, I didn't use up that much. The Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster, a conditioner, a restore conditioner. I had to use this whole thing for my hair because my hair is very dry, so I need to use a lot of conditioner. It wasn't the greatest thing ever. I don't know what it, you know, elasticized. Is that the word? I don't know. It's very forgettable, if that makes sense. So yeah, I would also not push that one. Okay, so that was it. Hold on, something is itchy. Don't tell me that's the glitter. No, it's not. That would have been it, huh? Being allergic to the effing glitter. Overall, the box is nice, I guess. You know, minus the 2 products. You can always use the micellar water. These will probably come in very handy. And then you actually have 2 exfoliators, one for the body and one for the skin, like the face skin. Is that really necessary? I don't know. Do I really use exfoliator? Yes, on my face, but not on my body. So we will see how long it will take me to use this one up. But yeah, you will get reviews for it once I'm done with the products. So anyways, you know, here I was thinking, oh, I have to put in another eyeshadow in my collection, you know, like mark it down. I don't have to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed me being, you know, spilled with glitter. My whole t-shirt glitters. I cannot wear this outside anymore. I have to put something else on. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And see you next one. Hopefully the next beauty box is better, please. Because it's July. And July is my birth month. Please be a good beauty box, please.